Hi everyone, thanks for joining our Agrimaster tutorial. Today I'll be going through how to set up your internet banking. Let's jump right in. So to begin with, we'll just open up Agrimaster, and that's get to the internet banking setup screen. We'll go to Setup and Tools, Internet Banking Setup, and then Internet Banking Setup again. So starting from the top, you just want to make sure that this file path is exactly like this, even with the slash at the end. So this is going to be where the files go, where the CSV files go in your documents folder. You want to tick this, create this folder if necessary. So that means if you've not got the folder for whatever reason, that the software will automatically create that folder, and that folder will be found under the NetBank, so it will be the NetBank folder. It's also helpful to make sure that the check this option if you wish to select the statement file at runtime. So if you make sure this one's ticked, what that means is if you have multiple bank accounts, then when you go to import the CSVs, you can actually have the option to select the right one. So that will prevent the wrong CSV being tried to import. I mean, it won't let you do it because the bank accounts will be different, but it'll just allow you to make sure you're getting the right one. And then the last option is to get a reminder of the last time the statement file was updated. So this will prevent you from accidentally importing again. Maybe someone else uses the file and they've already imported, it just stops that from happening. But again, that's not too much of an issue, just because the transactions won't double up. Any existing transactions won't be imported from the statement twice. So once you've got the top part set up, the next bit, which is very important, are the suspense codes. So you've got the suspense receipt code and the suspense payment code. What these mean is when you import the CSV file from the bank, any transactions that are imported will automatically be assigned these codes, and then you'll just have to go through and assign the right codes. Underneath, we've got the bank account set up. So here you can put your bank accounts. You'll see here I've already got one farm account set up, and I've got this set up with ANZ, which is why the statement file name is ANZ Access. So we'll go through another bank account setup just to show you how it goes. So I'll just select the correct bank account here. I've got my other bank account here. And you'll just notice that the statement file will automatically populate. You can change this to whatever you want. If you just want it to be, say it's with NAB, we'll just change that to NAB, and that's what the file will appear as in the NetBank folder. And here you just want to select the correct file. So if you're importing CSV files from the bank, then I would go down and select the correct file here, so NAB Connect. However, if I'm using bank feeds, it's important to remember to always select BankWest OBB. So even if my bank is, say, ANZ or NAB, if I'm using bank feeds, then I want to just select BankWest OBB, as that's the correct format for all bank feeds. So I'll leave that one as it is. And the final part of internet banking setup is the EFT options. So if you are going to be making payments using EFTs, you can check this box here, the Activate Payment Export option 1. And you'll just have to select which bank you'll be making the payments from. So I want to be making my payments from the farm account, which is, the ANZ account. Export to file. So this will be the NetPay ABA file. This will be the file that I will upload to the bank to pay the EFT. Short bank name is just the short name for ANZ, which is ANZ. If your bank requires an ABCA number, you can input that here, and then just your username, so who will actually be making the payments. You also want to make sure that you've got the Activate Internet Banking option checked here, otherwise it won't work. And if you do pay with EFTs from multiple bank accounts, you do have the option to add up to 3 different bank accounts you can pay from. Once you're happy with this whole setup, you can green tick, and then you'll be set up for internet banking. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you need more information, please have a look at our help articles or book a one-on-one consultancy and training session with our team. All the links in the description box. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and give this video a like if you enjoyed it. Have a great day.